Set up an observation post in the village and keep watch in the area.
We lost radio contact with HQ. Our last order was to set up an observation post in the village. You, soldier, get to it.
Ready for battle. Moving, sir. What the? Fire!
Jesus Christ. The whole German army is marching here. I need to get back and report to Sarge.
Kill him! Target in sight. Infantry ready? Moving.
Were they following you?
Not a chance, sir. I move like a ghost.
Enemy sighted. Attack!
Lucky they didn't follow you. Hold position!
Infantry ready? Moving. Hurry up!
Hostile unit spotted.
Enemy destroyed.
Yes, sir.
Fire the target!
Yes, sir. Anyone injured?
Good job, soldiers. They're running like... What's that noise?
Any orders, sir? Machine gunner, reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
Panzers incoming! Let's get back to our lines before the Germans do!
Yes, sir.
Moving.
Machine gun, oiled and ready. Yes, sir. Let's stick to the dense forest. Moving where you need me. Infantry, on the move. Infantry moving. Infantry, on the move. Infantry, on the move. Infantry moving. Got my bandages ready. Moving where you need me.
Damn it, where is everyone? Get your lazy asses on the AT guns and get prepared! Panzers are onto us!
Infantry ready? Awaiting orders. Moving. Ready, sir. Moving.
Any orders, sir?
On the way. Ready for battle. Affirmative.
Hurry up!
Awaiting orders. Infantry on the move. Ready, sir.
Ready, sir. On the way.
Fire!
Enemy sighted!
Come on! Awaiting orders. Yes? Truck reporting for duty. Fire the gun! Destroy. Attack! Your units back to the main force immediately. You don't want to stand in the way of what's incoming. Target destroyed. Waiting orders. Infantry ready? Ready, sir. On the way. Any orders, sir?
Yes? Infantry ready? Affirmative. Moving, sir.
Ready, sir.
Infantry ready? Infantry ready? Affirmative.
Any orders, sir? Moving. Hurry up. On the way. Come on! Moving, sir. Hurry up. Yes? Moving. Affirmative. We don't have much time till they arrive. Prepare the defenses. Lay some anti-tank mines. We need to repel them.
Hunting for tanks. Any orders, sir? Reporting for duty. Reporting for duty.
Truck reporting for duty. Waiting orders. Truck reporting for duty. Any orders, sir?
Transport ready.
Yes?
Any orders, sir?
You've received additional air support.
Orders? Reporting for duty.
Ready, sir.
Ready for battle.
Ready, sir. Infantry moving.
Truck reporting for duty.
Hostile unit spotted.
Come on! Yes?
Yes? Moving the gun.
Yes, sir. Orders? Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty. Truck reporting for duty.
Ready, sir.
Transport ready. Affirmative. Yes?
Reporting for duty. Affirmative. Yes, sir. Relocating the gun. Yes, sir. Moving, sir. Awaiting orders. Yes, sir. Coordinates, sir? Come on!
Awaiting orders. Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Any orders, sir? Come on! Yes? Affirmative.
Yes, sir.
Reporting for duty.
Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Ready, sir.
Reporting for duty.
Moving. Orders? Hurry up! Yes, sir.
Hostile unit spotted. Anti-tank soldier ready. Yes, sir. Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Yes, sir?
Affirmative.
Ready for battle. Infantry on the move. Fire the gun.
Any orders, sir?
Enemy sighted. Excellent. More incoming on both sides. We have to hold the line at all costs. Ready, sir.
Reporting for duty.
On for tanks. Ready for battle.
Awaiting orders. Ready, sir. Any orders, sir? Yes, sir. Reporting for duty. Any orders, sir? Yes.
Any orders, sir? Yes?
Awaiting orders.
Yes? Yes, sir. Any orders, sir?
Come on!
More air support is available. Use it well.
Yes. Yes, sir. Need ammo, fuel, or repair? Reporting for duty. Any orders, sir? Hurry up!
Affirmative.
Awaiting orders. Moving, sir. Yes, sir. Need ammo, fuel, or repair? Yes.
Reporting for duty.
Orders? Any orders, sir?
Affirmative. Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Need medical assistance? Medic moving. Reporting for duty. Awaiting orders. Come on.
Yes, sir. Affirmative. Hurry up. Any orders, sir? Got it.
Gun ready. Relocating the gun. Moving the gun. Infantry on the move. Target in sight.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Infantry ready? Yes?
Transport ready. Truck reporting for duty.
Infantry ready? On the way.
Artillery, fire! One more bites the
Yes?
dust.
Transport ready.
Ready, sir. Infantry on the move.
Any orders, sir?
Machine gun oiled and ready. Any orders, sir? Relocating the gun. Artillery, fire! Yes, sir.
Any orders, sir?
Moving. Infantry reporting for duty. Infantry on the move. What are the coordinates? Yes, sir. Relocating the gun. Artillery, fire! Enemy destroyed. Moving the gun.
Affirmative. Awaiting orders.
Artillery, fire! Relocating the gun. Fire the gun. Yeah!
We're ready, sir. Eliminate them. Enemy destroyed. Come on.
Target.
Destination acknowledged.
One more bites the dust.
turning back. That was a heroic defense. We have to strike now before they join their reserve forces. Launch a counterattack and destroy them.
Destination acknowledged.
The sky cleared up completely. More air support is available. Use it well.
Affirmative. Enemy! Yes, sir. Flying to destination.
Flying to target.
Enemy! Destination acknowledged. Flying to destination.
Flying to target.
Copy, tower.
Fire at the target!
Got it!
Reporting for duty. Orders? Come on! Come on! Reporting for duty. Hurry up! Reporting for duty.
Orders? Waiting orders. Waiting orders. Yes? Yes? Infantry ready? Infantry, on the move. Orders?
Medic moving.
Machine gun moving. Orders? Yes? Machine gunner, reporting for duty. Moving.
Reporting for duty. Yes? Orders? Orders? Come on!
Any orders, sir? Affirmative.
Any orders, sir? Truck reporting for duty.
Der Feind!
Hurry up! Open fire!
Hostile unit spotted. Machine gunner, reporting for duty.
Yes? Moving, sir. Ready, sir. Yes, sir. Moving.
Awaiting orders. Infantry, on the move. Yes, sir.
Fire! Yeah!
We're ready, sir.
Yes!
Come on! Open fire! Reporting for duty. Hurry up!
Awaiting orders.
Fire at the target!
Yeah!
Kanone wird angebracht. Der Feind!
Attack! Yeah! Fire!
Destroying the target. Anti-tank moving.
Fire!
Bullseye!
Come on!
Yes, sir.
Medic moving.
Thursday, December 28th, 1944. Back in Arizona, I always wished for snow at Christmas just once. Well, I suppose you should be careful what you wish for. This Christmas, we got a ton of snow. And with it, we also got a shitload of krauts. 2 weeks ago, we thought we'd finally found some rest during this giant push into the heart of Germany. Our part of the Ardennes was thought to be quiet, so I arrested some of the most exhausted men and stacked our vanguard with rookies. Then the weather turned. With the snowflakes came the krauts. In the early hours of the 16th, my men spotted the first German troops moving through the Krinkelt. Infantry, tigers, panthers. It seemed like they were throwing everything at us that Germany still had left. My men quickly realized that this was not a small attack, and they acted decisively, fighting for every inch. I'm so very proud of them. Eisenhower gave Montgomery command over a good part of our troops soon after the attack started. It was a temporary decision, but his infantry tactics worked out well in this defense. I have no idea what the Krauts were trying to achieve with this attack. I also cannot fathom how they could muster up these reserves. We battered hundreds of them, and they still kept coming. Then again, I saw men in their lines that could have been my grandfather, and some that should still be in school. All of them dying in loyalty to, or in fear of a fatherland that doesn't care one bit about them.
December 16th, 1944, 5:30 a.m. The German Reich begins Operation Herbstnebel, better known as the Battle of the Bulge. The Germans were attacking on a 130-kilometer front line, aiming to recapture the Allied-controlled harbor of Antwerp, and thus to cut off an integral supply route. Following initial progress, German advances began to slow down, primarily due to heavy snowfall. In February 1945, the Allies launched a counteroffensive, effectively ending Operation Herbstnebel. Suffering immense losses of almost 70,000 men, the German army on the Western Front was barely operational. What had started out as an attempt to save the German Reich ultimately ended up accelerating its downfall.